Agricultural Development by Group 3. Group 3 members Arya Wiraja, Azizatul Hikmah, Marcella. First material will be explained by Marcella.
Agricultural development. Agricultural development is a process that is shown to always increase the agricultural productions of each customer, which at the same time increase the income and business productivity of each farmer by increasing capital and skills to increase human involvement in the development of plant and animals. Yes, so agricultural is the main sector productions, foodstuff and industrial materials that can be processed into clothing, food and shelter, which can be consumer or trade. Therefore, agricultural development is part of economic development. Next, the main business of agricultural development. The main business of agricultural development is continuously improve through the following activity. The first, intensifications. Intensifications is an effort to increase the productivity of natural resource, such as increase the use of dry land, water, and tidal area, as well as the use of production suggestions, pesticides, fertilizers, water, and others. So, before we start agricultural development, we must first increase the use of dry land, waters, and tidal areas so that the results obtained are in accordance with what is expected. Number two, extensifications. Extensifications is an effort to expand natural resource, such as expanding the harvest area for both food crop or plantations crop, expanding the catchment area for fruits, expanding grass planting for animal feeds, and expanding other research. Yeah. So this expansions effort is needed because given the increased population's growth rate, the land is expanded so that it can be sufficient for the food of the country's populations. Number three, rehabilitations activity. Rehabilitations is carried out to restore the productive capacity of agricultural research that are damaged or critical and endanger environment conditions, as well as restoring the productive capacity of farming in vulnerable area. This is done to improve the standing of living of the community. So for the third point, this is effort to restore the productivity level of agricultural research that has been diminished. This damage can be caused by natural distance or human themselves.
Second material will be explained by Azizatul Hikmah.
Okay, agricultural fields. First, people agriculture. As we know, in a narrow sense, agricultural is defined as people agriculture, namely family farming, which produce main foodstuff such as rice, secondary, and horticultural crops. Farming, the people, is the cultivative in the fields of rice fields and garden. Second, plantation. Plantation is not only known in Indonesia, but also in other countries. In general, plantations are found in hot summer areas near the equator because it uses a management system such as in industrial companies by utilizing research results from the latest technology. Plantations are often called industrial plantation or agricultural industry. Third, Forestry. Forestry science, in a principle, is a science that explains how the relationship between forest land and human and the allocation of industrial resource and how to manage them so that this resource can provide the satisfaction desired by human. According and T. Measure the requirement for agricultural development. The general conditions include the market for agricultural production, new technology, the availability of local material and means of production, production incentive for farmers, and transportation. One of the goals of agricultural development is to increase agricultural production. For that, a market with a high enough price is needed to market the production in order to return the cost incurred by farmers in running their farming business and increase farmers' income. Every development effort requires a plan as a reference for the implementation of development. Planning development doesn't always have to use a formal plan. However, a good planning will greatly help a development plan.
Third material will be explained by Arya Wiraja.
Improvement method. Plant diversification. Intended as a way to increase production by planting a plot of land with several types of plant and increasing the quality of the plant produce. Rehabilitation. Plant rehabilitation is a way of increasing producing by replacing old plants with the new plants which are expected to have greater production. Extensification. Intended as a way to increase agricultural production by increasing the agricultural area. Agricultural development strategy. Support sector. The supporting sector requires the support of various sectors so that in the process it requires cross-sector coordination and cooperation. So they support the existence of the areas through the development of various supporting components including the trade sector, small industry, processing agricultural products and supporting infrastructure. Commodity selection. Agricultural development is prioritized on commodities that are widely cultivated by local communities and have high economic value. Mindset change effort. Various efforts that have been made without the support of understanding and change in farmers' thinking pattern have the potential to fail in agricultural application effort. Technology. In the early stage of agricultural socialization requires a strategy by integrating several components of organic agriculture into ongoing conventional technology.
Thank you for watching. I hope you are understand the material.